So, reciprocal rule. This rule in calculus, we will use this rule if you have fraction. So, let's have an example. Our example is 1 over 3x plus 27. The formula of reciprocal rule is negative dv all over v squared. What is dv? dv is derivative of denominator, and v represents the denominator. So the answer is negative 3 all over 3x plus 27 squared. How? So let's find out. First step, get the derivative of the denominator. 1 over 3x plus 27. So the denominator is 3x plus 27. You will get the derivative and the answer is 3. Because you will find the exponent and multiply it to the numerical coefficient, and it is 3. Second step, put the dv to the numerator and square the denominator. So you already know that dv represents the derivative of the denominator, and it is 3. So our formula is negative dv over v squared. So negative 3 over 3x plus 27 squared. So we already squared the denominator, and that's the answer. Hint, don't forget the negative sign here, because most of all students have the same mistakes in the reciprocal rule because they forgot the negative sign. What if the numerator is not 1? What will you do? Example, 2 all over 3x plus 27. So, we already know that the numerator in the first example is 1. So, what will we do? So, just multiply the dv to the numerator or the derivative of the denominator. So, we already know that the derivative of the denominator is 3. And we will multiply it to the numerator, and it's 2. And the answer is negative 6 all over 3x plus 27 squared. And negative, don't forget it. Thank you. And thank you for watching. And my name is Ron A. Masaya from Poison English, representing the